Welcome back. MPT expects a good season ahead. New chairman of MPT, Cyril George, said two ships containing iron ore are already anchored at the port. He is hopeful that government will finalize mining policy soon. MPT is also hopeful of resumption of iron ore export this season. Further, tourist season is set to commence with two cruises ferrying more than 1,600 tourists to the port. MPT has also started a new cargo port. It's working towards extending various concessions and facilities to the industry for promoting coastal movement of cargo.
Government of Goa will finalize the land iron ore mining policy soon and start the iron ore. At present, two ships have been arrived here. We expect that in a couple of days the documentation will be over and the loading process will start. As far as MPT is concerned, this is a good beginning of the season. These are the two ships starting at the beginning of the season, and we expect to receive more number of ships for export of the available iron ore quantity. And 27th November, we are getting two vessels. This is a good sign. This cruise season is starting with two cruise vessels. First vessel is Voyager and next is Ida Ora. Ida Ora is a larger ship with a LOA of 202 meters. This Ida Ora is having about 1,600 passengers. Government of India has also announced a policy of promoting coastal movement of cargo, and we are extending various concessions and facilities for coastal movement. And MPT management team is in the process of contacting various industries.
Kingfisher Voice of Goa season is back, this time with greater opportunities and passion. For the 10th consecutive year, Kingfisher Voice of Goa has been conducting the event in the state. The first audition for the season will be held on 15 October at Alua Mauritius. Grand finale will be held on 8th of November in Kolwa.
Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2014 is back with a bang. All the enthusiasts and singers can perform to their best and achieve heights. Kingfisher Voice of Goa gives you a chance to make the world hear your voice. The first auditions of the season will be held on 15 October at Alua Mauritius, 18 October at Vasco Residency, 24th October at Hotel Green Park in Mapsa, and 25th October at BPS Club in Margam. Semi-finals will be held at Kesarwal Retreat and the grand finale will be held at Kolwa Beach on 8th November. Bureau Report to Rank.
Goa will welcome Indian Super League with open arms as Nehru Stadium is expected to be full for FC Goa's opener against Chennai FC on Wednesday. The revamped stadium in Fatorda with a capacity of 17,500 has reportedly been sold out for FC Goa's first home match. Goa coach Zico sounded upbeat about his boys on the eve of the big match. Chennai boast of big names like Marco Materazzi and Mikhail Sylvester in their lineup and could pose a tough challenge for the home team.
It will be a tremendous sight to see this stadium at Fatorda being a full house. Report of FC Goa's first match day tickets being sold out is a welcome sign for football's future. Attracting people to the stadia is exactly what ISL is looking to achieve. A massive security arrangement is in place with a big number of policemen being posted with specific duties on the eve of the match. FC Goa's marquee manager Zico and marquee player Robert Pires addressed the pre-match conference at Nehru Stadium on Tuesday evening.
Um jogo como esse, então amanhã a disposição sem dúvida dos jogadores será bem diferente dos outros jogos.
Surely, friendly is different than my tournament match. So I even myself speak to my players that they don't do everything in a friendly. What is worthy is the real game, the real match.
Para nós nesses jogos foram a gente acertar posicionamento, acertar a função de cada e eles cumpriram muito bem dentro daquilo que nós treinamos.
The good thing of these friendlies that we could organize our team. They said everything, they did everything that we asked them for. So I'm very happy with it.
Pelo menos eu acho que nesse período eu acho que eles entenderam como eu quero que eles joguem.
So in this period, I think they understood the way that I want they play. So my philosophy and everything.
Chennai's player come manager Marco Materazzi and former Manchester United defender Mikael Silvestre represented the visitors.
This is my first opportunity. I'm lucky because I have that. And then I do my best for both player and manager.
Obviously, I'm not in my prime anymore. I've been able to train by myself, but I only joined the team a week ago. So I'm still short fitness-wise, but I've been able to put some good rhythm into the training session. So we will see how I feel. So I don't know if I start tomorrow anyway. Marco hasn't given the starting 11, so we will see. But yeah, really, I'm focused on tomorrow's game anyway.
The weather is very important. Some cities they are hot, some humidity, and some cold. We are in the worst weather in India, I think, in Chennai, and then we are happy because maybe everywhere we can play feel good.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.